Freck-a-leckin', smack-a-leckin' going on today. Yeah, another episode here, tuning in live. Doing something a little different today, just going for whatever wants to bite. I don't really care. You want to bite my line, just bite it. Yeah, sorry, a little wild there. It's cold out, 20 below. I've said this a million times, we're stuck in a deep freeze. I don't even care anymore. Fishing, that's what I do. I'm gonna be out there hole hopping today. Might set the portable up if we find some fish, but for now we're gonna set the chesty up, and that's about it. Drill a bunch of holes, and I've never fished this lake. Never fished this lake in my life. First time being on it. Thought I just heard someone coming. Apparently not. First time being on this lake. I don't know. I hear there's decent gills and maybe some decent perch in here. So that's what I'm here to look for. That's what we're gonna do today on this episode of Marshall Outdoors. Chesty time!
I think my teeth froze. Is that even an option? Alright, first thing I'm gonna try. Little Y-fry, little chartreuse Y-fry there. The water did look a little stained. Brighten it up a little bit. Go with that chartreuse. Use that tuned up precision noodle. Let's get out there and check some holes. Like I said, I don't know what's going on here. Just looked at the graph finally for the first time. And this is just a bowl. There's nothing to it. Let's try and figure it out. Here's the first hole.
Well, we're back in the truck. I gave her everything I had. Well, not everything, but I drilled quite a few holes. This lake's too small. There's a lot of, now that I started walking around and drilling holes, there's a lot, and I mean a lot. What's going on here? A lot of holes drilled here. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So we're gonna hop to another new lake that I've never fished today. That's kind of the goal today. I'm just gonna fish lakes that I have not fished. But we need to get off this lake. This thing sucks. I didn't even mark a fish. Didn't even mark one fish. We're out of here. Spot 2. How's it looking? Looks like it sucks. Looks like there's quite a bit of activity around here too, which I don't like. I hate that. But you can't get away from that in central Minnesota, so we're gonna try it anyway. Just gonna have to drill some holes, see what's up. We'll see.
Ooh, that one smacked it. What do we got here? It's a gill. First fish of the day. Wow, that thing smoked it. Hungry little guy. I'd like to find some way bigger ones than that, but that is the target species of the day. Alright, these fish are not biting it. I'm gonna try something here. Try a little ear larva. I do not like using ear larva. I don't like touching these things. But sometimes, on days like this, sometimes you just need a little ear larva down there. Let's see if this works. Apparently they won't bite anything else. Oh yeah, that is a lot better right there. Yeah, not bad right there. I'll take that. You get a bunch more. Better? Oh yeah. A little better. Not bad. Wish I could catch nothing but that size. Be cool. That is not the case. Got him. Ooh. Got some dig. He's got some dig. Oh. No, he does not. Every bluegill I've caught, he's got northern problems. There must be a lot of those in here. They all are beat up. Smoked him. That one is purple. That is purple. Yeah. Still looking for some bigger ones. Would be nice. This one's better. This one feels better. Oh, ooh. Get some dig. Just a fighter. Not bad, but not what I'm looking for yet. He's starting to get it. Maybe one day he will grow up to be a giant. For now, I'll see you later, dude. Okay, out in 18 feet where we've been finding the bluegills. I think we're just gonna drill more holes, do a little more searching, see if we can get on a little bit bigger quality. There we go. It's a decent one. Fighters out here, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Nice and colored up. It's not a bad one there either. If I could just stay on fish like this. They're starting to get that bump. Ooh. This one's got some dig. Woo. Come on, be a good one. Be a good one. Yeah. That is why I'm here, right there. That is a horse of a gill. Yes, dude. That is sick. Not catching a lot of them, catching a lot of small fish, but that's a dandy right there. Alright, so finally found some decent fish. Well, caught a couple decent fish. Smashed the year lover container. There's year larvae everywhere. But I don't want to set the portable up, too lazy for that. And I don't know, I like being outside. Filming looks better outside. So what I do, pop the buddy heater up in the front seat just to warm the hands up, you know. You're gonna need that. Oh, does that feel good? Yeah, let's get back to catching some big gills.
I'm gonna end up burning this truck down, this buddy heater today. Trying to stay warm. You can over hear him just hugging it. It's freaking brutal. It's freaking brutal out here. Where'd the big ones go? This one feels a little better. A little better. Yeah. This ain't the biggest one I've caught today, but it's definitely not the smallest. I mean, these ain't huge. Not like super tankers, but I'll catch those gills all day long if they want to keep biting. They're dandies. Those are full palmers right there. So much ice, I don't even know what's going on. It's a danker.
Oh, here we go. Seems like a decent fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is another freaking good one. He just came flying in. Pounded it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good fish. Real good fish there. Heck. Yeah. Those are doing it for me right there. I will take those all day. That is a gill right there. Bye.
What do we got here? What do we got here? It's not bad. It's not huge. Nice and colored up though. Yeah, another dandy. Get a couple more of those big girls that I got when I had my GoPro. Get back down there, buddy. Any more spikes? More spikes! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Dial here. There we go. It's a better fish. It's a better one. Where you at, buddy? Oh yeah. There's a good gill. Oh. Another good one right there. Yes, sir. I've been trying to get a bunch of these, but apparently this lake is not loaded with the big ones. It's loaded with the small ones, but if you work hard, you will catch some of these guys, and that is a dandy. And he came in with a couple buddies, so probably pop that hook out, get right back down there. I don't, dude, it's cold. Just let go. Yeah. Heck yeah. Good. 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 Long fish. Once again, not huge, but not bad either. That's a long, skinny one. That's why I call it all different colors. Some are purple, some are orange. It's just great. Had to work that fish for a while. That is gonna do it for me today. I have lost my toes, I have lost my nose, I have lost my fingers. It is time to go. Not a unsuccessful mission, you know. I've never fished this lake in my life, so that's not bad for coming out here and never fishing it and not having a graph for it. But I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I'm cold. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and signing off. Till next time, we will see you then.